always on the lookout for fun accessories for my iPad Pro. I love when something feels aesthetic and vibey, but I also want it to be something I can actually enjoy using every day without losing the fun factor. So when Tiaota sent me over their transparent keyboard cases for iPad, I was excited to open up and use it and see what I actually thought. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing Tiaota's transparent keyboard case for iPad. I do want to reference that in this video, I'll be using my iPad Pro 13-inch, but I do want to note to my audience that this case is available for other iPad models as well, the iPad Air and iPad A16. The first thing I noticed when I opened the box was the design. Tiaota definitely stayed true to the transparent design, and I can't believe how cool this keyboard case looks in person. You can literally see through the keyboard and see the internal details, which gives it this really cool retro tech vibe as well. I personally went with the transparent white, but I want to mention that Tiaota does have this case available in other colors as well. Now let's go ahead and put the iPad into the case. The iPad snaps right in and it feels protective and snug immediately. All the corners of the iPad are totally protected and all the cutouts are perfectly aligned. I see that it also has a nice camera protection bump as well, so your iPad camera lens isn't directly touching surfaces when you sit your case down. I really love how Tiaota kept the back of the case clear so you can still show off your Apple logo. A lot of cases cover that up, and I'm the type that likes to show it off, so I really appreciate that detail. Now that I have my iPad Pro 13-inch in the Tiaota keyboard case, which is probably one of the heavier iPads, it does add a little weight overall, but I'd still consider this keyboard case a lightweight one. It still feels premium and solid, but without feeling heavy, something I'd want to take with me in my bag day to day. I also want to point out that there's a built-in pencil holder, which is something I always appreciate. You just lift this little part up here, place your pencil inside, or you can keep it closed when you don't need it. Now I'm going to go ahead and connect my iPad to the keyboard. The keyboard connects via Bluetooth, and pairing it is quick and easy, no issues at all. The case charges through USB-C, which is really convenient since that's what most of us already use for our devices. The battery life on this keyboard is another perk, especially as a student, because on a full charge, this keyboard can last up to 70 hours of continuous use, and it has up to 45 days of standby time, and takes only about an hour to fully charge, which is honestly impressive. Another cool detail that I really appreciate is this small indicator panel on the keyboard. I'll show you it here. The small indicator panel on the keyboard shows the Bluetooth connection, battery status, and whether your caps lock is on or off. I really appreciate this little detail. It just makes this keyboard case feel so much more fun to use. Typing on this keyboard feels really nice as well. It uses scissor switch keys, so the keys feel thin, quiet, and responsive. They're clicky and satisfying without being too loud, and they feel so comfortable when typing. The keyboard also comes with iPad OS shortcut keys, RGB backlighting, and you can change both the colors and the brightness levels, which is really nice if you're using your iPad in lower lighting. The trackpad is really smooth and responsive, and I love that it supports multi-touch gestures. Now let's get into my favorite part about this keyboard case. Tiaota's transparent keyboard case can rotate all the way around, and the hinge feels sturdy and smooth. It makes this little crickety sound when rotating, which I personally love because it adds that retro tech vibe, but it is something to be mindful of if you're using this keyboard in quieter spaces. This case gives you so many different viewing angles. You can use it in laptop mode, lay it flat for note taking, use tent mode for watching videos or playing games, or switch it into a tablet or presentation mode. It's super versatile and easy to adjust. Tiaota really did their thing with this transparent keyboard case. I love the aesthetic, the clean vibe, and how lightweight and functional it feels for everyday use. If you're interested in the transparent keyboard case by Tiaota, I'll put the details down in the description. And just for my audience, if you use the link and my code in the description, you'll be able to enjoy 20% off your purchase. Don't wait too long because this is a limited time offer. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more iPad accessory reviews and tips. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.